There's big news this morning on an issue that might have a major impact on the election. A federal judge has temporarily blocked a landmark effort to offer 500,000 immigrants a path to citizenship. Nancy Cordes is at the White House. Nancy, good morning. This could be very disruptive for a lot of families.
It really could, Anne Marie, because this Texas judge's order applies to a Biden administration policy that was just announced in June. It was just getting underway that would grant legal status to undocumented immigrants who are married to American citizens. And just to sort of lay out how this policy was going to work before it was blocked, it was to allow unauthorized immigrants to apply for temporary work permits here in the U.S. to get some deportation protection if they're married to a U.S. citizen and if they've lived in this country for at least 10 years. It would also clear a path to citizenship for an estimated 500,000 immigrants living in the U.S. and about 50,000 of their children over a period of years. The reason that they put this policy into effect is because the process, the way it worked before, could include a long wait outside of the U.S. for citizenship, which would force families to separate. But now this pause is in place. It comes after 16 states, led by Republican attorneys general, challenged the new policy, saying that it bypassed Congress for, quote, blatant political purposes, unquote. As you know, Anne Marie, immigration is it's a major contentious issue this election cycle, with more than half of Americans saying that it's a top factor for them, according to a recent CBS News poll. And the judge made his order valid for just 2 weeks, but he did suggest that he could extend it longer than that. Both sides have until October 10th to file briefs in the case. Federal officials can actually continue accepting applications under this policy in the meantime. They just can't approve any of those applications. They had just started accepting applications, by the way, Anne Marie, last week.
Oh, that must be so frustrating, so much uncertainty. Nancy, thank you very much.